Hi, this is Susan Dakazaku with expandmybrand.biz. We are excited to be here at National University. Now, this is a location for higher education, but as a business owner or professional, you understand that you cannot stop your education. You have to continue to learn because technology, your competition, your industry changes all the time. So we're excited to be here at National University offering a series of workshops on how to expand your brand. Follow me. When you come into the lobby, you want to go here because there will be a sign as to where the workshop will be held. If you have trouble finding that place, look here at room 101. These people behind the desk will be happy to help you. For more information about our schedule, visit expandmybrand.biz. Hope to see you soon.